Hello everyone, myself Saurabh Sharma, Assistant Professor of Electronic and Communication Department, and today this session we will discuss about logic gates part 1 for IT third sem second year students. Now here some contents here prerequisite and objective and logic gates and their types of logic gates and their logic gate ICs, okay, and their learning outcomes, okay, and some problem relate this topic and their references, okay. Now here prerequisite and here important is that students should have a basic knowledge about Boolean algebra and De Morgan's theorem, and student already learn and studied in the first year, okay, and it is important for understand in the further topics, okay. And now here some objective here student will try to learn about logic gates and verify the truth table of NOT and OR XOR and XNOR gate, okay, and also learn about how logic gate work, okay, and also differentiate between symbols of logic gate. And there is a main objective for student will try to learn, okay. And now what is a logic gate? And we can say logic gate are the basic building block at any of any digital system, and it is an electronic circuit having one or more than one input and only one output, okay, and the relationship between the input and the output is based on a certain logic, okay. Or we can say any Boolean function can be represented in the form of gates, okay. And in term of zeros and one, at any given moment every technical here terminal is in one of the two binary condition, such as low for 0 or high for 1, represented by the different voltage level, okay. And we can say 0 is called false and 1 is called true, okay. Now here types of logic gates, and logic gates are divided into three types. Here basic logic gates, universal gate and other logic gates. And basic gate divided into three types. Here AND gate, NOT gate, OR gate. And universal gate are divided into two types, here NAND gate and NOR gate. And other logic gate, or we can say special purpose gate, here it is divided into two types. Here it is a XOR gate or XNOR gate. It is also called a exclusive gate, okay. And in this PPT we will discuss about basic logic gate and other logic gate, okay. And in case of universal logic gate we will discuss next video lecture, okay, that is a NAND gate and NOR gate. And in this next lecture we discuss about what is called universal gate and what is NAND gate and what is NOR gate, and with the help of we can design different types of gate, okay. And then all the content will discuss next video lecture, that is a universal logic gate and we can say logic gate part 2, okay. Now here we discuss about basic logic gate and other logic gate. Now here first one is a NOT gate, and according to NOT gate, here it is also known as inverter, and it has one input in term of A and one output in term of Y, okay. And it is also called inverter here because when we provide binary input 0, then it provide output 1 and when we provide binary input 1, then it provide binary output 0, means 0 input and 1 output, and 1 input and 0 output. Now here it is a circuit diagram of NOT gate, and here it is a voltage source, and here A is the switch and L is the inductor or a light or a lamp, for example. And in case when we applied voltage any 5 volt, okay, and then when we applied input 0, then switch is open, and we can say all the input we will capture from the output. It means light is on, okay, and when we applied 1 in the switch, it means A is closed, and A is closed, all the voltage will passes through A and goes into the ground, okay. So we can say in the light or lamp side, no output voltage will be occurred, okay. That means when we applied 1, it shows 0 according to the NOT gate, okay. And now here it is a AND gate, and AND gate a circuit which perform AND operation, and it has 2 input and 1 output, okay. And we can be say in case any input is 0, then the output also be 0. Here in case both input is 1, then output is 1 according to the condition of AND gate, okay. And here it is a circuit diagram of AND gate, and A and B it is a switch, and L it is a lamp, okay. And here it is a voltage source that is 5 volt, okay. And when we applied in binary input 0 0 in the circuit diagram, okay, so here A is open switch and B is open switch, and we can say the lamp is off, okay, because there is no path flow the supply, flow the electric current जिससे कि लैंप जल सके. तो यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं कोई भी स्विच क्लोज नहीं है, कोई भी पाथ प्रोवाइड नहीं हुआ है, जिसके कारण आपका लैंप जलेगा नहीं. तो जब भी आप 0 0 इनपुट अप्लाइड करते हैं तो लैंप जलता नहीं है. तो उसका मतलब बाइनरी इनपुट हमेशा क्या होता है आपका एंड गेट के लिए, जब भी आप इनपुट 0 0 प्रोवाइड करेंगे तो आपको जो आउटपुट मिलेगा वो 0 मिलेगा, ठीक है. सेकेंड कंडीशन देखते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू सर्किट डायग्राम. व्हेन वी प्रोवाइड बाइनरी इनपुट 0 and 1, 0 for A and 1 for B, एंड हेयर कह सकते हैं कि A स्विच आपका ओपन है एंड B स्विच आपका क्लोज है. जब भी आप 1 अप्लाई करेंगे, देखो 0 जब अप्लाई करते हैं तो स्विच आपका ओपन होता है, और 1 अप्लाई करते हैं तो स्विच आपका क्लोज होता है, ठीक है. तो देखिए जब भी ऐसी कंडीशन आती है तो इन केस ओनली फ्रॉम पाथ फ्रॉम B साइड बट नॉट अ A साइड, but here we will required in both side path, then lamp will be on, okay. तो देख रहे हैं कि A पे आपका स्विच ऑन है, B पे स्विच आपका क्लोज है, तो इसका मतलब अभी आपको पाथ नहीं मिला है. तो वी कैन से कि यहाँ से जो आप सोर्स अप्लाई करेंगे वोल्टेज सोर्स, उसके अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पर कोई भी सप्लाई पास नहीं होगी और आपका लैंप नहीं चलेगा. थर्ड कंडीशन A अगर 1 रखते हैं और B 0 रखते हैं, इन केस the binary input is 1 for A and binary input is 0 for B, and same situation only one path is closed and other path is open, okay. And we can say there is a no complete path for इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब जलाने के लिए कोई भी आपके पास अभी कंप्लीट पाथ नहीं है. तो देन वी कैन से इट इज़ ऑफ स्विच. एंड लास्ट वन इज व्हेन वी अप्लाइड बाइनरी 1 for A and 1 for B, तो देन कंडीशन देखिए A भी आपका क्लोज हो जाएगा, B भी आपका क्लोज हो जाएगा, देन वोल्टेज इजीली यहाँ से फ्लो होगा और देन आपका लैंप जल जाएगा. तो वी कैन से इफ़ एनी इनपुट इज़ 0, ओके, तो इन केस द आउटपुट विल आल्सो बी 0, ओके. बट if both input is 1, then we can say the output is 1, okay, according to the AND gate. Now third is a OR gate, and OR gate, it is a opposite from AND gate, and it is a symbolic diagram of AND OR gate, and we can say a circuit which perform OR operation, and we can say it has 2 input and 1 output, okay, and in term of Y it is output, and AB it is a input, and it is a symbol of OR gate, okay, and here it is a circuit diagram of OR gate, and A and B connected in parallel, but in case of AND gate A और B connected in series, okay. ये आपको चीज़ ध्यान रखनी पड़ेगी कि A और B आप सीरीज़ में कनेक्ट करते हैं, उसको हम AND गेट के अकॉर्डिंग सर्किट डायग्राम डिफाइन करते हैं, और जो आप A और B जो स्विच हैं आप पैरेलल कनेक्ट करते हैं तो उसको हम OR गेट के अकॉर्डिंग सर्किट डायग्राम डिफाइन करते हैं, ठीक है. इट इज़ सिमिलर, A and B it is a switch and L is a bulb, and here input is a voltage source, and it is a truth table in term of input and output, and here AB it is a input and A plus B it is a output of OR gate, okay. And here we can say any input is 1, okay. In case of OR gate, any input is 1, then the output is also 1, okay. And in case both input is 0, then we can say output is also be 0. That is the concept of OR gate, okay. Now here, according to the circuit diagram, when we applied binary input 0 for A and 0 for B, we can say it is a open switch, okay. And when we applied voltage source, there is a no path, okay. तो there is a no path, इसका मतलब कोई भी यहाँ से सप्लाई फ्लो नहीं होगी, इसका मतलब आपका जो लैंप है वो जलेगा नहीं, ठीक है. देखिए ट्रुथ टेबल के अकॉर्डिंग भी 0 0 आपने अप्लाई किया तो देन आपको आउटपुट क्या मिल रहा है, 0 मिल रहा है. इन सेकेंड कंडीशन व्हेन वी अप्लाइड इनपुट 0 and 1, okay, then in condition A 0 for A and 1 for B, here 0 switch is open and B switch is closed, okay. And when we applied voltage source, then voltage source follow path B because B is a close, but not follow A because A is a open. But B के थ्रू जो भी सप्लाई जाएगी वो लैम्प तक पहुंच जाएगी, क्योंकि उसको एक पाथ मिल गया है B से और लैम्प तक वो इजीली पहुंच सकता है. तो देन वी कैन से कि अगर हमें एक भी पाथ क्लोज मिल गया तो लैम्प तक वो सप्लाई जाएगी और लैम्प क्या हो जाएगा, आपका एक्टिव हो जाएगा, और वी कैन से लैम्प इज ऑन, ओके. तो इन हेयर अकॉर्डिंग टू द ट्रुथ टेबल व्हेन वी अप्लाइड 0 1, देयर इज अ 1, इट मीन्स लैम्प इज ऑन. And when we applied binary 1 0, we can also be lamp is on. And third one is when we applied input binary input 1 1, it is also lamp is on, okay. So there is a functioning of the OR gate and how OR gate work, okay, and according to the truth table worked with the help of OR gate, okay. Now here next is a XOR gate. And here XOR gate it is a exclusive gate or a special purpose gate. Here it is a basic diagram and it is a XOR gate equation, and with the help of we can justify the truth table, okay. And it is a truth table. Here is a inputs in term of A and B and outputs in term of A XOR B, okay. Now here according to the XOR gate, when we applied 0 0, there the output provide is 0, and when we applied 0 1, their output provide is 1, and when we applied 1 0 input, their output provide is 1, and when we applied binary input 1 1 for A and B, then the output is 0. Now according to this XOR equation, XOR gate equation, that is a bar dot B plus A dot B bar, when we feed these input in this equation, we can easily justify this truth table or easily find the output of the XOR gate, okay. And here in case when we take binary input 0 0 means A0 and B0, and here A bar is when we applied A 0, then A bar is changed in a 1, and B also 0, and 0 0 is 0, plus A is 0 and B bar change is 1, means 0 into 1 is 0, and same is A bar dot B means 1 into 0 means 0, plus A dot B bar means 0 into 1 means 0, means 0 plus 0 it is also 0. Okay, and then second is a binary input 0 1, and here A is applied 0 and 0 is changed in term of 1. Okay, and B is applied 1, then 1 into 1 that is 1, and in case A dot B bar, when we applied A is 0, okay, that is 0, and dot B bar means B applied 1, and 1 invert is 0, means 1 plus 0 it is a 1. Okay, and same 1 for A and 0 for B, that is also 1, and last is when we take both binary input is 1 1 for A and B, and according to this equation for XOR gate, when we applied A 1 and 1 complement is 0, okay, and 0 into B is applied 1, 0 into 1 is 0, okay, plus A is applied 1, okay, and B is applied 1, but the complement of B means 1 complement is 0, means 1 into 0 means 0. Okay, there is a 0 plus 0, that is a 0. Okay, so we can say about that in term of any input is 1, only single input is 1, we can say according to the XOR gate only single input is 1 or single input is 0, then the output is 1. Okay, when both input is 0 or both input is 1, then the output is 0 according to the truth table of XOR gate. Okay, now हमने इस इक्वेशन से भी जस्टिफाई किया है कि अगर हम इनपुट की वैल्यू इसमें रखते हैं तो हमें आउटपुट भी यही मिलते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे कि हम अगर A1 रखते हैं तो A का कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या होता है 0, और B1 रखते हैं तो 0 मल्टीप्लाई 1 क्या होगा 0 होगा. ऐसे ही अपन A1 रखते हैं B1 रखते हैं तो B का कॉम्प्लीमेंट हो जाएगा 0, तो A मल्टीप्लाई 0 क्या होगा 0 होगा, तो 0 प्लस 0 क्या होता है 0 होता है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट दैट इज़ अ XOR गेट. Here it is a logic diagram and truth table of XNOR gate, and it is a equation of XNOR gate. Okay, XNOR gate और XOR gate में सिर्फ इतना डिफरेंस है, यहाँ पर लगता है बबल और XOR गेट में बबल नहीं लगता है. तो बबल एक तरीके का नॉट का सिंबल होता है जो कि इन्वर्ट करने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. ओके, तो XOR गेट में अगर आप बबल लगा दोगे तो वो हो जाएगा XNOR गेट, और XNOR गेट से अगर बबल हटा दोगे तो वो हो जाएगा आपका XOR गेट. तो XOR गेट को अपने अच्छे से समझा. अब XNOR गेट में आप देखिए A XOR B का कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर देंगे आप तो डेट इज़ अ XNOR गेट. एंड द XNOR गेट की इक्वेशन क्या होती है A डॉट बी प्लस A बार डॉट B बार. ओके, एंड इट इज़ अ ट्रुथ टेबल ऑफ XNOR गेट. हेयर AB it is a input and by it is a output, or we can say A XOR B complement. We can say complement of A XOR B. Okay, and here that is a reversal of XOR gate, because we know XOR gate provide output 0 0 is 0 and 1 1 is 0, and 0 1 is 1 and 1 0 is 1 according to XOR gate. But in a case of XNOR gate, 0 0 provide 1, 0 1 provide 0, 1 0 provide 0, and 1 1 provide 1. And according to this truth table, we can explain the XOR gate in term of binary input. Okay, and here we can say when both input 0 0 and 1 1, we can say the output is 1. Okay, and when single input is 0 or single input is 1, okay, single, not a both, only single, so we can say the output is 0. Okay, and we can also say about that XNOR is reciprocal of the XOR gate. Okay, and here it is a equation. With the help of, we also can verify this truth table. Here when we applied input binary 0 0 means A0 and B0, here 0.0 means 0 into 0 means 0, plus 0 bar means 1 and 0 bar means 1. 1 into 1 means 1 and 0 plus 1 it is 1. Okay, and in case any value is 0 and any value is 1 means binary bit for A is 0 and binary bit for B is 1. Here A is 0 and B is 1, 0 multiply 1 is 0, and here A is 0 and 0 complement is 1 and B is 1 and 1 complement is 0, means 1 into 0 means 0, means 0 plus 0, that is output is 0. And same as when the provide binary input 1 0 or take binary input 1 0, 1 for A and B for 0, its same provide is 0. And last one is when the take binary input 1 1 means 1 for A and 1 for B, and here 1 multiply 1 means 1 and 1 complement is 0 and 1 complement is 0, means 0 multiply 0 is 0, means 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, there is a concept of XNOR gate. Okay, now here it is a logic gate IC, and with the help of IC number, okay, it is a 74XX series IC. Okay, it is a transistor IC and it work in a low voltage, means plus 3 to plus 5 volt. Okay, and with the help of this series we can identify which gate of IC. For example, in case 7408 it is a AND gate IC, and for 7432 it is a OR gate IC, and 7400 it is a NAND gate IC, and 7402 it is a NOR gate IC, and 7486 it is a XOR IC, and 747266 it is a XNOR IC. And with the help of this number we can identify the IC of the hardware. Okay, because sometime question is that IC is a 14 pin IC and U symbol shows where we start the number of the IC. Okay, तो जो IC होता है, हार्डवेयर IC होता है, उसमें एक U सिम्बॉल लगा होता है. जैसे कि आप यहाँ IC देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पर एक U टाइप का सिम्बॉल लगा हुआ है. तो U टाइप का सिम्बॉल से आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं कि IC का नंबर कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. ओके, अगर U लगा है तो IC के आप राइट से स्टार्ट करेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 एंड 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. दैट इज़ अ 14 पिन IC, दैट इज़ अ लॉजिक गेट IC जो कि 14 पिन्स की होती हैं मैक्सिमम. एंड हेयर इन नंबरों से हम IC को भी डिफ़ाइन कर सकते हैं, है ना, क्योंकि हम जानते हैं कि 7408 दैट इज़ AND गेट IC. ओके, तो दैट इज़ अ इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट फॉर हार्डवेयर पर्पस, because with the help of this number we can identify the hardware IC. Okay, that is 14 pin IC. And in the case of 14 pin IC, here 14 pin it is a VCC जहाँ पर हम सप्लाई प्रोवाइड करते हैं, एंड 7 इट इज़ अ ग्राउंड. ओके, जहाँ पर हम ग्राउंड कनेक्शन देते हैं. इट इज़ कॉमन फॉर ऑल IC. ओके, बट जो पिन का कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होता है वो थोड़ा डिफरेंट होता है. जैसे कि मान लीजिए AND गेट IC है और OR गेट IC है, NAND गेट IC है, XOR IC है और XNOR IC है. तो यहाँ पर जो पिन कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होता है वो आपका सेम होता है. जैसे कि फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड पिन क्या है, आपकी इनपुट है, थर्ड पिन आपकी आउटपुट है, फोर्थ एंड फिफ्थ पिन आपकी इनपुट है एंड सिक्स पिन आपकी आउटपुट है. ओके, तो ये कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है इनपुट आउटपुट का. ये जो मैंने आपको IC बताया AND और NAND XOR और XNOR, इनकी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन सेम होती है. बट जो आपकी NOR गेट IC है जिसका नंबर है 7402, तो NOR गेट IC में अपोजिट होता है. जैसे कि मान लीजिए 2 एंड 3 पिन आपकी इनपुट है एंड फर्स्ट पिन आपकी आउटपुट है. ऐसे ही आपकी फिफ्थ और सिक्स पिन आपकी इनपुट है, ऐसे ही आपकी फोर्थ पिन आउटपुट है. तो ये थोड़ा उसमें कॉन्फ़िगरेशन देखना पड़ता है. ठीक है, अगर ये चीज़ समझ में आ गई तो आप किसी भी आईसी को वेरीफाइड कर सकते हो विद द हेल्प ऑफ ब्रेडबोर्ड, ओके, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ सर्किट डायग्राम। एंड यहाँ नॉट गेट यूज़ नहीं किया है, लेकिन नॉट गेट में क्या होता है, एक इनपुट होता है, एक आउटपुट होता है, ठीक है। दैट इज़ आल्सो 14 पिन आईसी नॉट गेट, हेयर 1 इनपुट एंड 1 आउटपुट, ओके, and same as 14 pin is a supply and 7th number is ground, and there is a IC's hardware schematic diagram, okay. And now here is a learning outcomes, and after the end of this lecture student should be able to describe the operation of the logic gates, okay, and also express the operation of NOT, AND, OR, XNOR and XNOR gate, okay, XOR and XNOR gates using Boolean algebra, and also construct the timing diagram showing the proper time relationship of inputs and outputs of various logic gates, okay. Now here some problems relates already discussed in the topic. ये सारा जो प्रॉब्लम्स है, जो भी अभी अपन ने टॉपिक डिस्कस किया है, जो टॉपिक अभी अपन ने पढ़ा है उससे ही रिलेट करता है, ठीक है। देयर इज द आउटपुट ऑफ अ लॉजिक गेट इज़ 1 व्हेन ऑल द इनपुट एट लॉजिक 0 द गेट इज़ आइदर, ओके, एंड हेयर सेकंड इज हाउ मेनी एंड गेट आर रिक्वायर्ड टू रियलाइज y equal to cd plus ef plus g, okay, we can say it is a multiply, cd ef is also multiply, and also we know about that OR gate means addition, okay, and AND gate means multiplication, okay. So you can also define how many AND gates are required with the help of this equation, okay. And third is a NOR gate output will be high if the two inputs are, okay, 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1, okay. And last one is which of the following are known as universal gate, okay. Here we discuss only its basic, what is universal gate. Universal gate is two types, NAND and NOR, okay. Why it is called universal gate? Because we can draw with the help of universal gate any types of basic gate or any types of special purpose gate such as XOR and XNOR. That's why universal gate, okay. यूनिवर्सल गेट को यूनिवर्सल गेट क्यों कहा जाता है, ये बेसिक हमने इसमें देखा। अब हम जो नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर देखेंगे, इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर वी विल डिस्कस हाउ कैन डिज़ाइन डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ गेट with the help of universal gate such as NOR and NAND, okay. And last, here is a references, it is very important book, Morris Monod, okay, and some diagram take from this site here, www.tutorialpoint.com, and some from Electronic Hub and some from alprocus.com, okay. And thank you for watching this video.